I completely understand the frustration many users experience while using CapCut, especially those who rely on it for its beginner-friendly interface, effects, and transitions but are unable to afford the Pro version. But here's the good news. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access CapCut Pro features absolutely free, without downloading any sketchy software, visiting shady websites, or using any cracked versions. This method is 100% safe and works directly from your system using the CapCut folder already installed on your PC. Even better, you don't need to log in, and it works on every version of CapCut you're currently using. Just make sure to watch this process carefully, all the way to the end. If you miss even a single step, it might not work for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Download CapCut. If you haven't installed CapCut yet, start by heading over to CapCut's official website using your browser. Click the download button and follow the installation instructions to set it up on your desktop. Once the installation is complete, launch CapCut. You'll be greeted with the main interface. Step 2. Locate CapCut's storage folder. Let's start by accessing CapCut settings. As you can see, I'm currently using version 6.70 beta test. Whenever you install CapCut, it automatically creates a folder on your computer that stores everything: your files, folders, and project data. Keep this folder location in mind, as we'll be using it later. Now, let's close the settings window and test this method with a sample project. Step 3. Create a new project using Pro features. Start by creating a new project in CapCut. This will open up a fresh editing window. Next, import a video clip to your timeline. Now, we're going to add Pro-only features to this clip. First, go to the Effects tab. Scroll through and select any effect you want. I'll choose Edge Glow for this example. Apply it and extend the effect to match your video length. Now, go to the Filters tab and add any Pro filter to your video. For example, I'll choose Clear Filter, apply it, and extend it to match your video length. After that, let's add captions. For that, go to this Captions options and click on Auto Captions. It will take a few moments and your captions will be generated. Now choose the Pro Animations and Fonts. At this point, your project is now using multiple Pro features, which normally would require a paid CapCut Pro subscription to export. Let's try to export this project and see what happens. You'll immediately get a prompt informing you that Pro features like Edge Glow, Clear Filter, and Auto Captions are being used, and you must upgrade to Pro to continue. But don't worry. This is exactly where the workaround begins. Click back to Edit and return to your project timeline. Now, select all the clips on your timeline, right-click, and choose Create Compound Clip. This merges all your edits, effects, and clips into one unified file. Once that's done, right-click again and select Preprocess Compound Clip. This step may take a few moments, so be patient while CapCut processes your video. After the video is processed, minimize CapCut, but don't close it. Locate the CapCut shortcut icon on your desktop. Right-click it and go to Properties. From there, click Open File Location. This will take you directly to CapCut's main installation folder. Now, click the small back arrow in the address bar to move up one directory level. Look for a folder named User Data and open it. Then, scroll down and open the Projects folder. Open the first folder, and here you will find the list of projects. To locate the exact one, return to CapCut and check the project name. In my case, the project named is 0728. Back in the Projects folder, find and open the folder named 0728. Inside that, open the Resources folder, then open the Combination folder. Here, you'll find two video files. One of them is the fully processed video containing all the Pro features you added earlier. Double-click to open it, and you'll see this is your edited video, complete with all Pro effects and filters, successfully exported without needing Pro access. You might receive a message from YouTube stating that your content is reused and not eligible for monetization. And that's it. You've just learned how to use CapCut Pro features for free. No cracked software, no risky downloads, and no shady websites. Just smart editing by tapping into files already generated on your computer by CapCut. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video so others can discover this safe and effective method. And if you're into CapCut tips, video editing hacks, or want to level up your content creation game, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new upload.